Is this happening to you? You're right in the middle of your favorite show, and without warning, your Roku TV turns itself off. It's frustrating, but don't worry, you're not alone, and it's usually an easy fix. Let's get started. Reason 1. Check sleep timer. You might have accidentally bumped the sleep timer button. This feature is designed to turn the TV off after a set amount of time, like 3 minutes or 1 hour. Let's check it. Go to your home screen, select Settings, then System, and then go to Time, and under Time go to Sleep Timer option, and select Off option to disable it. This solves the problem for a huge number of people. Reason number 2. Power issues. If your TV is plugged into a power strip, especially one that's old or crowded with other devices, it might not be getting consistent power. Try plugging your TV directly into a wall outlet. See if that makes a difference. Reason number 3. CEC or Consumer Electronics Control. This feature allows devices connected to your TV via HDMI, like a game console or soundbar, to turn your TV on or off. If that device is malfunctioning or sending the wrong signal, it can shut your TV down. To disable CEC, go to Settings, then System, and then Control Other Devices, CEC. Try turning off options like One Touch Play. You can turn them back on one by one later to find the culprit. Reason number 4. Software glitches. Just like your phone or computer, your Roku TV needs occasional updates. Sometimes, a bug can cause unexpected behavior. Check for updates manually by going to Settings, then System. Under System, go to About, then Software Update, and press Check Now button. If an update is available, install it. This often fixes mysterious bugs. Now, let's check the TV itself. Some TVs have a physical power button that can get stuck or be overly sensitive. Gently press the button a few times to make sure it's not lodged in the off position. If you've tried all of these and your TV is still turning off randomly, it might be a sign of a hardware issue, like a failing power supply board inside the TV. In that case, it's best to contact Roku support or the manufacturer of your TV for further help. Hopefully, one of these tips got your TV back to a reliable binge-watching partner. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.